du soleil, pas du soleil, pas du soleil.
So guys, first and foremost, I'm gonna take this moisturizer and applying it on my clean face there. This moisturizer is done. I'm gonna apply my primer. I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primizer. It's going to give a very dewy look. So that's what I need. I don't want my skin to be getting dry and feel that dryness on my skin after I have applied it. So I'm gonna apply this primer all over my face. Smooth foundation from Maybelline FITME, and this is in the shade 230 Natural Buff. Foundation in the dot form all over my face. And the next I'm gonna use this concealer. It's from Marc, and this is called a Prolong concealer. This is a kind of a yellowish tone. I really love it, and love it how it stays on my skin underneath and also on my eyes. This also acts like a primer. So I'm gonna again take my finger and dab it a little bit. Is done. Next I'm gonna do my brows. For that I'm taking as usual the Benefit Pro pencil.
Pas du soleil, pas du soleil, pas du soleil. Pas du soleil.
My brows are done now, and now I'm going to put the concealer a little bit just to frame those brows well. I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession palette, and this has got this gorgeous shade, guys. I'm gonna use this as a transition shade, and next I'm going to use this beautiful bronze shimmer shade, and these two combination are more than enough for this dress. And see, my dress is sparkly, so I don't want to go very heavy with the eye makeup.
Pas du soleil, pas du soleil, pas du soleil. Pas du soleil, pas du soleil, pas du soleil.
And this is what it's gonna be. This is from Sephora, and I'm using this black ink fine liner from Sephora. Lining and also for lining up your eyes, because I have got the black liner at the top. I want the liner to show up something which is very similar to my eyelid. If you want to go, you can go dramatic with the false lashes, but I seriously don't like applying them. I don't know, my eyes water a lot. For that reason, I just don't like to apply false lashes. I like to leave it just as natural as I can. What it's gonna be my eye makeup, and next I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring, and then I'm gonna swap my lipstick. That's it. same Urban Decay palette, I'm going to apply a blush, the highlighter and the bronzer. And I will use a little bit of highlighter. That's it, not much. Makeup, and now I'm going to use a Ruby Woo lip shade, which is so awesome. Everybody knows about this. So this lip shade matches to this dress a lot because this dress is kind of nice and flashy. I'm going to enhance my lips a lot. What is the New Year party or a holiday party without the red lips? So I am done with this, and next I'm going to spray a setting spray. This is a setting spray water, again it's from Smashbox. I'm going to just spray it a little bit. My hair is kind of natural wavy. I'll just comb a little bit and leave my hair like this, or I can just tie it as a bun. Try and show it to you. I'm matching this beautiful heels of H&M, which matches to my lipstick, and this looks awesome. So I'm gonna wear this with this dress. Whenever you feel that you have a less time and you can't do your hair, go for messy bun. That is always perfect, and try to learn many messy buns as such, so that it saves a lot of time for you guys not to curl your hair or straighten it. So I prefer to do this when there is a short of time, and it's 45 minutes up now. I need to rush to my office party and I'm leaving now. Thank you beauties for watching. Hope you like this video. Like if you have liked this video and watched till end, that motivates me to do more such fun videos. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Ciao.